everybody. I wanted to start today with a quick video on how to find the files that you're working on in Visual Studio and get them opened up in Finder. That will make it easier to upload them to Google Classroom or use them in other ways. So like many things in really both Windows and Mac, there are some helpful tools to help you find the files you're looking for. So I've got this little example differences that I worked on yesterday, and I wanted to go ahead and run it so that we're working from that spot because it looks a little different once you've run it. Helps if I have the right thing selected. Go ahead and run it. You see that it says, "Hello world, how are you today?" Great. And then it says, "That sounds well, great." Not a very useful app. But you'll notice that this sidebar here now changes into this debug window. So I want to come back up here to my Explorer. And it's got the folder that I have open here and the files that are in that folder underneath it. If I right click on one of these files, I only have one right now, I can choose Reveal in Finder. On Windows, it's probably going to say something like Reveal in Explorer or something like that, but that's what you're looking for. And then that will open up the window to that particular file. If the program that you're submitting or dealing with is only one Python file, then that's the one that you submit. If you need to get multiple files uploaded, then you probably want to zip up the folder that contains them. So that folder is chapter 0. If I hold down Command and do up arrow on the Mac, then I can right click and choose compress, and that'll create this zip file. And that's one way to submit multiple files. But again, if it's just one file, please just submit that one file, and that'll work great. I hope that that clears things up. That last step will look a little different on Windows, but hopefully you can find the right pieces to make that happen. Thanks.